Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Miss.
How's your feeling today?
I'm great.
Great? Alhamdulillah. Are you still excited to listen this material?
Yes.
Okay, so before we start, let's start with a prayer. And Nadi, please lead it.
Before we start the class, is it better if we start the prayer first? Pray according to your belief. Begin. There's no stop for praying, so
Okay, before we start the lesson, I will divide you into two groups. So, you have already sit on your group or not? Yes? Okay. Okay, so before we start the lesson, I will explain the learning objective that the lesson today. So for the first is, after learning this topic, student can analyze the interaction of electric charge and identify the attraction or repulsion between charges. And so for the second one is, after doing an experiment, student will be able to observe the relationship between rubbing time and the attraction force. Okay, so the next one. So can you see the imagine 1 become the imagine 2? So based on the picture, what do you think about static electricity? If you know, please raise your hand. Okay, Widya. Paper attract to balloon.
Yeah.
Okay, great, Widya. It's correct answer because we're ready. So, for the next, okay, what is static electricity? Static electricity is built up of electrical charge of an object. You may feel this in the form of a shock when you approach a metal object or another person. Okay, so for the next is electric charge. Electric charge arises due to the transfer of electrons from one object to another object. There are two types of electric charge, namely positive charge and negative charge. It is said to have a positive charge when the number of protons is greater than the number of electrons, and vice versa. Whereas an object that has no charge is called neutral. Okay, do you get it?
Yes.
Alright, so the next is Coulomb laws. So according to Coulomb, two adjacent charge will work in an attractive or repulsive force. The force of attract is attractive if there are different types of charge, and vice versa if the same type will repel each other. So for the imagine one, so this is the same types of charge and becomes the force of repulsion. Okay, repulsion. And for the next image is the different charge types. So the force will be attract. Okay, do you get it?
Yes.
Okay, so for the equation, Coulomb law is the F equal K times Q1 times Q2 over R squared. So for the description is, F is Coulomb force, the unit is Newton, and for the K is the constant, and for the R is distance between two charge, the unit is meter, and for the Q1 is the first electric charge, the unit is coulomb, and for the Q2 is the second electric charge, the unit is coulomb. Okay, so for the next one is experiment time. Yay! Okay, before we conduct the experiment, I will explain to you about the worksheet first. So, okay. So for the representative of the group, please come forward to take the tools and materials and the worksheet too. Okay, so student, you see the screen first. So in the page 1, you make fill the date, group, and group member. And for the first objective is, after doing an experiment, student will be able to observe the relationship between rubbing time and the attraction force. And for the second one is, after doing an experiment, student will be able to measure the effect of different rubbing duration on static electricity production. So this is tools and materials. You get it. And the safety instruction is, keep all materials away from eyes and face, and use an open area away from sensitive electronics. So yeah, let's conduct the experiment.
Yay!
Put on the lab coat first.
Okay, we are from group 1 and I would like to present our hypothesis first. For the first experiment, the hypothesis is the longer the balloon rabbit, the more electricity is gas. And the second hypothesis is the longer time to rub the straw, the faster paper rotate. For the independent variable is the rubbing time, the dependent variable is the paper attract and also the rotation of the paper, and for the control variable is the balloon, tissue, and also the wool. So for the result, where's the result? So for the result, for the first activity, for 2 minutes, we attract 11 paper, and the observation, the paper piece goes up to attach to the balloon, and for the 4 minutes, it's attract 20, and for 6 minutes, it's attract 26. And for the activity 2, for 2 minutes, we rotate it for the 14 seconds. For 4 minutes is 11 seconds, and 6 minutes is 3.83 seconds. And for the conclusion.
And for the conclusion, based on your observations and data analysis, write a conclusion addressing. So the charges will attract each other if it's on this on the opposite pole, and then will repel if it's on the same charges. So that is all from our group 1. Thank you so much.
Of the lesson today is about the static electricity, and I hope you can understand all of the concept and material of the static electricity, and that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.